So this is it. I got my blender, and I was so like, I was like, I can't wait to test it. I made my smoothie here. It got blueberries, strawberries, all of them are frozen, and Actimel, the little bee yogurt, and some milk. I love it, so good. Actually, when I open the box, I put hot water in the bottles. It does not shrink. The bottles does not shrink when you put hot water. I risked it and put boiling hot water in it. I wish I could like make a video of that, but I forgot. But literally, they does not shrink on using boiling hot water, so it's safe for the winter because it's coming. Can like carry hot drinks in it. I really love it. It's it's a 10. It's a 10.
This is a problem with my lid. Had it for less than a week and the lid's broke. Need a new lid. Lids don't for